Hello guys, welcome back to Geekborn. Today we have this Kangaskhan GX Box. Probably one of the newest things I've ever happened to open on this channel. It's got two Unbroken Bonds boosters, Lost Thunder booster, and XY Evolutions booster, along with this Kangaskhan GX card. Let's get it opened up. Yeah, box. Gone. Look. There for us. Box code card. Off to the side. Boosters. Take a look at this awesome jumbo oversized card. Awesome attacks. Little tiny Bangby, Kangaskhan. Alright. Let's see here. We got Unbroken Bonds. Let's go with XY Evolutions first. Green code card. Code 3. Kakuna. Charmeleon. Professor Oak's Hint. Water Energy. Growlithe. Machop. Voltorb. Diglett. A reverse holographic Metapod. And Arcanine. Regular rare. Awesome. Let's go Lost Thunder. Sun and Moon. Lost Thunder. Booster. Open. Maybe. Let's see. Ooh. White code card. Go. 1, 2, 3. Back. Let's see what we got. Raffrig. Mixed Herbs. Stantler. Alola Meowth. Yamask. Jigglypuff. Don't let it sing to you. Mareep. Alolan Vulpix. We got the reverse holographic Bruxish. And a full art Mina card. Mina? That's awesome. One of my first full art trainer cards ever. Sweet. Let's go on to the Unbroken Bonds. See if there's anything awesome we can pull out of these packs. Maybe. My hands will work. Green code card, not an issue. We got that for you. 3. I think it's 4, but we'll just go 3. Be safe. Trainer. Giovanni's Exile. Another trainer. Duskstone. A Coughing. Doduo. Poliwag. Spritzy. Lickitung. Look at the art on that Lickitung. If it'll focus, what is going on right now? There it is. Reverse holographic Tangela. The art on the Tangela too. Sweet. And a Kingler. Coolio. And a Fire Energy. Sweet. Alright. Last booster. Unbroken Bonds. There's gotta be something awesome in this. Gotta be. Oh, maybe not. It's alright. You guys got code cards for Fighting Energy. We got a Rhydon. We got a Wartortle. Cleffa. Jigglypuff. Look at that art. That's so awesome. That like headdress. Krabby. Riolu. Esper. Porygon. Reverse holographic Meowth. And Meowstic. Alright, well, we got our Kangaskhan with our oversized and our regular one, and we got our Mina wherever I put her. Oh no. She disappeared. Literally, I lost her. She's gone. Oh no. Alright guys, well, if you like what you saw, like, comment, subscribe, and don't forget, some of us were just born geeky.